Team, Les Watson inviting you to join us on the 19th of August for Get Back an Hour in Every Day. I've been involved with the Geelong Small Business Festival for many years now, and every single time people walk away from the session going, I really needed that. It gave me great clarity. I'm now able to do things very practical. So if you are struggling with what you have on your plate and you do not have enough time in your day to get stuff done, come back. I can guarantee you I'll give you back an hour in every day. We're going to handle such things as clarity. We're going to handle email and paperwork. We're going to handle systems. And we're going to, on the back end, give you some productivity hacks that you can put into your day to give you back that hour in every day. All right, that's a bit of an overview. It's a great session. A lot of people have enjoyed it in the past. I'm inviting you personally to come and join us. All right, we'll see you at the festival. Cheers.